next, and a fake number rank coming up. A half our preview edition of Live the Open, presented by American Express. As you can see and hear, the air is electric here at the U.S. Open. You look at big screen board there. They're getting ready to do special anthem inside our stadium. The Wiz Chip, the big crowd tonight.
And we know that they're playing loose.
Hello and welcome back to Live at the Open, presented by American Express. Kyle, our cameraman, panning down the side of ATRACCIJA Stadium. And look what I have here. These gentlemen, let's see, I wonder who they're rooting for. Jelena Jankovic. You guys are from Serbia. Let's get names real quick.
A-Milos, Sasha, E-Branko, J-Gaga.
That's how you know I'm from around there. I didn't understand what he said, but those are their names. And you have a nickname here for your lady. What does this mean?
It is this the current nickname, and it means Jetsa. It's like a short for Jelena. Yeah.
It's pronounced how?
Jetsa. Like Y-E-T-C-E. Jetsa.
Now, you guys, obviously, Novak Djokovic was eliminated, so you had your last chance here for Serbia to win the U.S. Open.
So we hope that she will win, and no doubt she will get a title like tonight, and she will be like a huge champion here.
To win, I think. It's final time to win Jelena.
By the way, you know, she wins. She's the number one ranked winner in the world. Take it up. Number. How about that? I didn't win that, so look at that. That is all. By the way, real before I let you go, who did you?
Oh, that's a very famous chef of Belgrade, you know, and we want to say hello, you know.
Guys, I want you to do that chant. Do that chant you were doing earlier for your language. Let's bring in Luke. Luke, that's great. Do the chant.
Yeah.
Okay, chant. Never mind. Guys, thank you. Let's do the chant. Yeah. There you go. Hey, listen, you're one of the few guys that can appreciate guys like that.
Absolutely.
Both of us. I'm just talking about guys.